Welcome to a ViewSonic unboxing. My name is Ray, and today I have for you the VG57V series family of video conferencing monitors. That V in the part number is very significant because that denotes that we have built-in cameras into these monitors that are really great for anyone who's doing remote work or hybrid work and needs to join meetings virtually. This series comes in three sizes: 24-inch, 27-inch, and this big boy 34-inch that I'll be unboxing for you here today. So let's get it open and show what's so awesome about this and get into the box. This VG product, just like many of our other VG products, is built in what we call the pizza box for our shipping. That means that you can get this thing open and deployed in about 30 seconds and is really, really easy to do. And I'll show you that right now. First thing, when we get into the box, we're going to have all of our cables. We try to include every cable we think you're going to use or need with the monitor, so we give you a good variety. You have a power cable, an HDMI cable, any of the documentation that you need for the setup, and a USB-C to USB-A cable to connect other computers or other peripheral devices that can use USB-A, and the USB-C is built into the monitor. Assembling the monitor is basically two steps. You want to assemble the stand and then connect the stand to the back of the monitor and pull the whole thing out. So I'll show you how that works. So we're going to start with the stand itself. We're going to flip it over, connect the base of the stand to the upright section of the stand, and then there's a little thumb screw on the bottom, and it's perfectly fine just to finger tighten this to assemble the stand. Set that off to the side. So to assemble the monitor, we're just going to expose the backing of the monitor head, take our monitor stand, click it right into the hole provided, and you'll hear it click together. And once it's clicked, you can use the handle on the back to pull the entire assembled monitor out of the box in one easy step. Now that we have the monitor out, we can talk some of the main specs. So this is an ultra-wide 21:9 34-inch VA panel monitor. It is very bright and has a very high contrast ratio, making your images very vibrant and the colors really rich. What makes it more special than some of our other 34-inch ultra-wides is the inclusion of this right here. This is a pop-up camera. It comes up anytime you don't want to use it or you're worried about your privacy, you can just pop it right down, but we think most users are going to keep it up. The reason why is because this is actually a Windows Hello certified camera. Meaning if you have a Windows machine and you have Windows Hello set up, this is the perfect authentication tool for your digital life. All you have to do is put your face right here in front of the monitor, and the IR scanners and the IR camera will project an image onto your face and to verify that it's you, and then securely log you into the system anytime you need to put in a password or you need to unlock your Windows-based machine. So it's quite a significant improvement over a previous generation video conferencing cameras which did not have the Windows Hello capability. This is also a Zoom certified camera. So we've certified both the video and the audio quality of this monitor to ensure that it is perfect for video conferencing applications so that everybody in the meeting can see you and hear you very, very clearly, which is so important in modern e-commerce. In terms of monitor connectivity, we want to make sure that you have every port you're going to need for a really good docking experience. What we mean by that is there's a built-in USB-C port on this monitor that provides 100 watts of charging power. It's 90 watts in the 24-inch and 90 watts in the 27-inch. Plenty of power to power even big, powerful laptops. You connect that USB-C and you're going to get your audio, your video, and your webcam feed all going over that one cable. In addition to that, there is a built-in Ethernet port on this monitor, so if your laptop doesn't have one, you can get high-speed terrestrial internet right to the monitor. It'll send it straight to your computer, making easy setup and easy disconnecting, completely removing any hassle. There's also built-in USBs, so if you have a wireless keyboard and mouse or even a wired keyboard and mouse, connect them directly to your monitor and you have a setup that can stay right on your desk and connect to your computer easily with just one simple cable. And we think that's a great advantage. In terms of ergonomics, this monitor does support full ergonomic height adjustment as well as swivel, and on the 24-inch and the 27-inch there's also pivot support. Now we have the entire VG57V family assembled. On the small side, we have the 24-inch VG2457V. It is perfect for a dual screen setup, a daisy chain setup. If you want something a little bit bigger, with a little bit higher resolution, this one here is actually an IPS with 1920 by 1080 resolution. Sizing up to the 27-inch, the VG2757V-2K. As the 2K indicates in its part number, this is a quad HD monitor that is 2560 by 1440. Gives you a little bit more screen real estate, a little bit more detail, and a lot of office workers love using this size in both a single and a dual monitor setup. If you want to go to a larger single monitor setup, as we said before, this 34-inch is kind of your big boy option. It is the largest of the three. It has a 3440 by 1440 resolution and a really nice and bright, vibrant VA panel. Differences between them, again, aside from the sizing, 90 watts of power delivery for your laptop on these two models, and then 100 watts of power delivery on the bigger model. Otherwise, they're very much comparable, and they all come with the 5 megapixel zoom certified video conferencing camera. So no matter which option you go for, you're going to get a fully zoom certified, Windows Hello capable monitor that is going to make your productivity much, much better and make your entire digital life a little bit less stressful, and hopefully you have to remember a few less passwords. So this has just been a quick unboxing and overview of the VG57V series family of monitors. Please watch this space for more exciting videos and content from ViewSonic.